Success is a journey that unfolds in many seasons of our lives, and among these, the season of Easter holds a unique place. Easter is not just a holiday or a tradition. It is a powerful symbol of renewal, hope, and transformation. As we reflect on the themes of Easter, we find valuable lessons that can inspire us to rethink our mindset, foster personal growth, and ultimately achieve lasting success. Let us explore 7 essential parts of this journey, each drawing from the spirit of Easter to guide us toward a more fulfilling and purposeful life. The first part is renewal. At the heart of Easter lies the promise of new beginnings. The story of resurrection reminds us that no matter how dark or difficult our circumstances may seem, there is always the possibilities for renewal. In our pursuit of success, we often encounter setbacks, failures, or moments of despair. It is during these times that embracing the spirit of renewal becomes crucial. Allow yourself to let go of past disappointments. Each day offers a fresh start, an opportunity to rise above yesterday's challenges. By adopting a mindset that welcomes renewal, you open the door to growth, creativity, and unexpected opportunities. The second part is hope. Easter is a celebration of hope triumphing over adversity. Hope is not just wishful thinking. It is a powerful force that fuels our ambition and perseverance. When you nurture hope within yourself, you gain the strength to keep moving forward. Even when results are not immediate or visible, hope encourages us to set ambitious goals, to dream bigger, and to persist through the inevitable difficulties along the way. Remember, every achievement begins as a seed of hope planted in the fertile soil of your mind. Water it with belief, nourish it with action, and watch it blossom into reality. The third part is forgiveness. The Easter message is deeply rooted in forgiveness, both giving and receiving. In our journey toward success, we sometimes carry the weight of grudges, regrets, or self-blame. These burdens can hinder our progress and cloud our judgment. Learning to forgive others and ourselves is a transformative act. Forgiveness frees us from the chains of the past and allows us to focus on the possibilities of the present. It is not a sign of weakness, but a courageous step toward emotional clarity and resilience. When you forgive, you make space for growth, creativity, and authentic connections with others. The fourth part is sacrifice. True success often requires sacrifice. The Easter narrative is a profound reminder that meaningful achievements are rarely attained without giving up something of value, be it time, comfort, or even old habits. Reflect on what you are willing to sacrifice to reach your goals. Are you prepared to invest the necessary effort, to forego short-term pleasures for long-term rewards? Sacrifice is not about loss, but about making intentional choices that align with your highest values and aspirations. Every sacrifice you make for your growth becomes a stepping stone toward a more rewarding future. The fifth part is community. Easter is traditionally celebrated together, highlighting the importance of community and connection. Success is seldom a solitary endeavor. Surround yourself with people who inspire, support, and challenge you. Seek out mentors, colleagues, and friends who share your values and encourage your growth. At the same time, be willing to offer your own support and encouragement to others. In community, we find accountability, motivation, and a sense of belonging. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. Remember, your journey is enriched by the relationships you build along the way. The sixth part is gratitude. Amidst the pursuit of our ambitions, it is easy to lose sight of the blessings we already possess. Easter invites us to reflect on gratitude, the practice of recognizing and appreciating the good in our lives. Gratitude shifts our focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. It fosters contentment, reduces stress, and fuels a positive outlook. Take time each day to acknowledge your progress, your strengths, and the people who have helped you along the way. Gratitude not only enhances your well-being, but also attracts more opportunities for success. The seventh and final part is purpose. Ultimately, Easter is a celebration of purpose fulfilled. In your own journey, success is most meaningful when it is aligned with your deepest sense of purpose. Ask yourself, what drives you? What impact do you wish to make in the world? When your actions are guided by purpose, you find motivation even in the face of obstacles. Purpose gives meaning to your efforts and sustains you through the ups and downs of life. It transforms ordinary achievements into extraordinary legacies. As we reflect on these 7 parts, renewal, hope, forgiveness, sacrifice, community, gratitude, and purpose, we see how the lessons of Easter can illuminate our path to success. Each part is interconnected, forming a powerful framework for personal and professional growth. Embracing renewal allows us to begin again. Hope gives us the courage to strive. Forgiveness frees us from the past. Sacrifice focuses our efforts. Community strengthens us. Gratitude enriches our journey, and purpose gives it all meaning. No matter where you are on your journey, remember that success is not a destination, but a continuous process of transformation. Like the season of Easter, it is about rising above challenges, embracing new possibilities, and becoming the best version of yourself. Let the spirit of Easter inspire you to cultivate a mindset of growth, resilience, and compassion. As you move forward, carry these lessons with you, and may they guide you toward a future filled with achievement, fulfillment, and joy.